So what's up, guys? I happen to be doing laundry today and I got my down vest a little wet from doing the laundry, and I realized the water just beat it on the surface. And I usually use liquid detergent and powder detergent for washing different things. Liquids for the sheets, and if I had outdoor apparel or nylons, I use powder detergents. Also dress pants and certain like nylon stuff around the house, if I'm washing, I use nylon powder detergent because it doesn't destroy the fabric. Now, liquid detergents have something called surfactants, which is right there, and that's sort of a thing that cleans. It's really good at cleaning fabric and softening water. It's basically a water softener, but it destroys the DWR treatment on item like this. So I'm going to show you guys real quick what the DWR treatment does and why it's important for this fabric. So as you see there, water just beads on the surface of this jacket. It doesn't soak in the jacket. And you can basically just wipe it off and it comes right off like that. So that's what the DWR treatment does. And using liquid detergents will destroy that ability of the fabric. And all the DWR treatment is just it's a coating that goes over the fabric that keeps it water resistant. Keeps just water from soaking through the fabric into the insulation. And also, if you have a rain jacket, it keeps water from soaking into the fabric before soaking inside the fabric, because sometimes if it's a Gore-Tex lined material, the Gore-Tex is behind the outer nylon shell, and when the nylon shell gets soggy, then the Gore-Tex will keep you dry, but it'll also make the fabric heavier. So that DWR treatment is just as important as the Gore-Tex underneath the surface of that fabric. And to treat that DWR, keep that fresh, never use liquid detergents. Always use a powder detergent. Powder detergents do not have surfactants, and they tend to be actually cheaper than liquids. So it's easy to keep a box of this around the house for washing your outdoor apparels. And even if you have nylon sheets or whatever around the house, always use powder detergents for that. Very helpful tip, just to keep you guys keeping your outdoor gear fresh. And this is my Arc'teryx Thorium, I think Thorium LT vest that I have there. I just happened to be wearing it and it got wet, and I realized, you know what, I'll just shoot this impromptu video showing you guys how to care for your outdoor equipment.